Hello guys, welcome to thesitzer.com. In this video we will learn how metals react with acids. When you react a particular metal with acid, can it react and how does it react? We find that when you react a metal with an acid like HCl, some of the metals react, some metals do not react. Some of the metals react fast and some metals react slowly. And you can check it in your lab. You can take different metals and react with a given amount of an acid and see how the metals react. But before that, I would like to share one precaution with you guys, that do not perform this experiment with the metals like sodium or the potassium in your lab, because the metals like sodium and the potassium are highly reactive and the reactions are explosively fast and the reaction may catch fire also. So do not perform this experiment unless you are under the supervision of your teacher in the lab. Sodium and the potassium we always store under the inert atmosphere like kerosene, because we don't want to get sodium exposed to the atmospheric oxygen or the moisture, otherwise that will react with it because the metal is highly reactive. However, we can perform the same experiment with the metals like magnesium, zinc, iron and the copper and some other metals also. Here I would like to share with you one of the experiments that I did with the magnesium and the zinc with the hydrochloric acid. Okay, so let's see how the magnesium and the zinc react with the hydrochloric acid HCl, with the dilute HCl. When you react to the magnesium with the hydrochloric acid, you can see the gas is coming immediately. So quickly the hydrogen gas comes out with the magnesium metal. But when I add the zinc here, the reaction is not fast. The gas is coming out from here slowly and takes some time. But with the magnesium, you can see the reaction is fast. With the magnesium, the gas is coming very fast, very quickly. The reaction is vigorously fast. Here it is slow. That means magnesium is more reactive than the zinc. Magnesium reacts fast, very quickly than the zinc. And when we react to these metals with the acid, what we get? We get the salt. We get the salt of the metal and hydrogen gas. Like here in the example, magnesium, when you react to the magnesium with the HCl, you get the magnesium chloride and the hydrogen gas. And when you react to the zinc with the HCl, again we get the same thing, the zinc chloride and the hydrogen gas. Okay, we get the zinc chloride and the hydrogen gas. So when you react to the metal with the acid, what do we get here? When you react a metal with the acid, what do we get? We get the salt and the hydrogen gas. But the question is, can all the metals react in the same manner? Do all the metals react in the same manner? So let's find out that. Here is the result of some of the different experiments that we have performed. When you react to the metal with the hydrochloric acid, what are the results that we got? With the magnesium, the reaction is vigorously fast. That we have just checked. With the zinc, is a bit slow. With the iron, is a little bit more slow, right? Okay, is a bit more slow. Lead is slow and the reaction only occurs when the acid is concentrated. With a metal like copper, silver and the gold, the reaction does not occur at all. That means magnesium is the most reactive metal and the gold is the least reactive metal. And this is the decreasing order of the reactivity of the different metals. So hence we can get a conclusion that when you react a metal with acid, you get a salt and the hydrogen gas. But not all the metals have the same reactivity. Some of the metals react very quickly with the acid. Some metals react very slowly. Some metals do not react at all. Hope you got the concept. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.